Hey guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with Me, and I just wanted to hop on real quick. I'm not going to do a tutorial today. We have just got home. We have been gone all day long. Some of the things in town have opened back up, and we have had some business to take care of for a while now. So we finally went and got that done today, but of course we had to wait all day long. So I'm pretty zapped right now. It was hot. We had to wait in the car part of the time, and we have just now got back home. So I'm not really going to have time to do the tutorial that I wanted to do. But tomorrow I'll try to get two up for you. I've got this, and it is going to be called a stacked mini album. We're going to make it with file folders. Each one is going to have a pocket in it. Each page will have a pocket. So I'm gonna show you how to do that one tomorrow. We're gonna cover it with pretty paper, and then with the leftovers from those that we trimmed down, we're gonna make some pretty tags, and then some tag inserts, tags with pockets, and then tag inserts to go with that. We're gonna use some book pages and different things like that. So join me tomorrow, and we will get started on all of that. Like I said, today I started to try to do one and film it, and it's already like 6:20 here, and I'm zapped. So today I'm not going to do one, but tomorrow watch, and we will be doing this little I guess we could call it a cascading mini album. Maybe that's what we'll call it. We're going to use file folders. So pull out your old file folders. I think I used 1, 2, 3, 4, looks like 4 file folders is all it takes. And then with the leftovers that we trim off, we're going to make some pretty tags and inserts and belly bands and things to go in here. So look forward to that tomorrow. We will talk to you guys later. Thank you so much for all of your support. Don't forget, even on this video, you can leave comments and you will still be entered in our May challenge. So all the information will be below for that. So leave your comments down below, and we will talk to you guys tomorrow. Everyone have a nice evening. Bye bye.